In this video, I'll show you how to cancel an order inside Uber Eats app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so if you made an order on Uber Eats and you quickly want to cancel it, so what you want to do is open up your Uber Eats app. And now once you've done that, you want to click onto account, bottom right hand corner of your page here. And then under your name, you've got favorite wallet orders. Go ahead and click onto orders. And now under orders, there will be a section saying current orders. Go ahead and click into that. And then from there, go ahead and click on the active order. And also depending on the order status, you might be charged a small fee to cancel. So it might be $5, $10 or something like that, depending how long it has been between you ordering it and you canceling it, sorry. So if you order something and you cancel straight away, there might be no fee. But if you order and you cancel, say 5 minutes later, there could be a fee involved.